Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Muhammad Azizul Haq, assistant teacher, Kishugans Government Boys High School. Welcome everybody to my new class. In the next class, I told you about the first part of the noun. Today, I would like to tell you something about the next part of the noun. Let's enjoy the class. See that I have written many things on the board. And in the next class, I told you about the concrete, not concrete noun. Actually, I told you about the abstract noun. Okay, abstract noun. Today, I would like to tell you about concrete noun. What is concrete noun? I have already told you. The noun that can be seen, that can be touched, that can be smelled, or can be perceived with five senses is called concrete noun. Okay, that is rupatto. Rupatto, the noun that has existence in reality, it is called concrete noun. And it is divided into four parts, and they are proper noun, common noun, collective noun, and natural noun. Okay. First of all, let's see what are there in proper noun. What is proper noun? The noun that means the name of a certain place or person or river, sea, ocean, company, institution, and so on. Okay. At first, let's see person. There are more than 800 crore people in the world now. Everybody has a name. And the name of every person is called proper noun. Okay, suppose you have a name and your yearmates, every yearmate has a name. That name is proper noun. Basically, person is common noun, but when you will tell your name or any name of a person, then it will be proper noun. And next one, the name of place. See that there are different places in the world. First of all, if I tell you about our own country, and small places are villages or any other places, and then union, and then thana or upojala, and next district, and then division, and then country, subcontinent, and continent, and in this way about the world we can tell. Okay, so all of the names I tell you are common, but when I tell you the name of a place, particularly suppose about our country, when we will tell about our own country, that is Bangladesh, then it will be proper noun. But country isn't proper noun. Country is common noun, but when I will tell the name of a definite or certain place, then it will be proper noun. Okay, and in this way we have more than 200 countries, and every country has a name. Okay, if I tell you about our neighboring countries, something like that, India, and then Nepal, and then Bhutan, or Myanmar, or Japan. In this way, we can tell many names of the countries. So, place is common noun, but when we will tell the definite name of a place, then it will be proper noun. Okay. In this way, the name of river. Okay, river is common noun, but when we will tell the name of definite river, then it will be proper noun. Suppose we have many rivers in our country, Padma, Meghna, Jamuna. In this way, international rivers also there are. So when you will tell the name of that river, then it will be proper noun. And basically, river is common noun. In the same way, ocean, sea, or ocean, or we have 5 oceans, in the world. And ocean is common noun, sea is common noun, but when you will mention the name of any ocean, then it will be proper noun. Suppose Bangoposagar, and in this way we can tell Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean and Mediterranean, and the name of the oceans are proper. And then come to company. We have different types of company. A company is common noun, but when you will name any name of company, then it will be proper noun. Suppose we can tell Amco Fashions and Baximco Pharmaceuticals Limited. In this way, we can name many companies, the name of companies or industries. Okay, the name of that industry will be proper noun, but company or industry will be common noun. And the institution, we have many institutions, you know, and it may be educational or other institution also. Institution is common noun, no doubt, but when you will tell about the definite name of a institution, suppose you can tell Kishorganj Government Boys High School. It is only one institution, education institution in the world. In that name, or there is no other institution like Kishorganj Government Boys High School. And in this way we can name other institutions also. So when I will mention the name of that institution, it will be proper noun, and basically institution is common noun. Now come to common noun. What is common noun? Common noun means, it means the class, any class or any type of something like that. That means it may be any class. Suppose baby, and then boy, and then girl. It means the class of any kind of animal, or the different types of humankind, you can tell. Okay, baby is one kind of humankind, and boy is also, girl is also child, and then man and woman, and then city also, father, poet, minister, so and so. Those are the words which are common. Okay, but if you name any boy, suppose you are a boy, your name is Rohim or Jodumodu, any name you can tell, then it will be proper. But boy means you maybe, or your friend maybe, that is common. And girl is also, it means the classification or any type of womankind. That's why girl, and then child. And city also. City means all of the city. And if you tell Dhaka city, then it will be proper. But city means all the cities of the people. And father means all of the fathers. But whenever I tell you the name of my father is Mr. Karamod Ali, then it will be proper noun. Okay? But father means all of the fathers. See that? Proper noun and common noun. There is a link between them. Okay? They are related, overlaid. Okay? Person means common noun. It means all of the persons of the world. But when you will tell the name of any person, then it will be proper noun. Place, river, ocean, company, institution, baby, boy, girl, child, city, and father, poet. Poet means, suppose if I tell you about our national poet Kazi Nazrul Islam, then it will be proper. But poet means all of the name of all of the poets of the world. So then it will be common. I think you can understand what is the difference between proper noun and common noun. Now come to the next one, that is collective noun. What is collective noun? Collective noun means the things, the name of the things together. Okay, name of the things together. Suppose army is the name of a force in our country, you know, and all of the persons who are related in that force is called army. And then band is a group, you know, or board is also group. Cattle, all of the beasts mean together. And then class or crowd, committee, flock, gang, group, team, and then staff, police, regiment. Those are the words which are collective noun. Actually, there are more persons or things together. That's why it's called collective noun. Okay, and next one, see that material noun. What is material noun? The noun that means the name of things. Name of things, they are called material noun. See that number one, I classified jute, rice, milk, sugar, water, tea, flour, wheat, egg, meat, and then iron, gold, silver, diamond, cotton, and then plastic, calcium, fiber, wool. Those are the words which are called material noun. Okay. Now come to the another point, that is see that proper, common, and collective. All the nouns can be counted by number. That's why they are related to countable noun. Okay. But whenever we think about our material noun, see that it cannot be counted by number. If you want to count then you have to use measuring words. What are the measuring words? If I tell you about the jute, suppose 1 mount for 1 kg or 10 kg jute, rice, 1 kg milk, or 5 liters sugar, water, a glass of water, a glass of tea, then those material nouns can be counted. But if you think about this in this way, they cannot be counted. See that rice, think about rice or wheat, they can never be counted. You can't count them. But if you add any measuring word before them, then you can count. Okay, that's why they are uncountable now. Okay, let's see the next part. Now, see the next parts of noun, and what I was telling you. See the next part of noun. See that another noun is possessive noun, and then compound noun, and number and gender. Those are the words which are related with a noun. Okay. Now let's see what is possessive noun. What does it mean? Possessive means ownership. Okay, ownership. This possessive means ownership. Ownership. What does it mean? Actually, when I tell you, this is my school, this is your school, this is our school, then it means ownership. Amar vidyalay, tumar vidyalay, amader vidyalay. That means ownership, odhikar. And possessive noun means, I have already told you that there are more than 800 crore people in the world. Everybody has a name. So we have possessive cases also, according to the personal pronoun. When we will go to pronoun, then we will discuss it. But today I will see you how we can make a noun, proper noun. We can make a proper noun or turn a proper noun into possessive noun. Okay, by adding apostrophe s. See that apostrophe s. What is apostrophe? You know what is apostrophe? This is called apostrophe. So by adding this apostrophe with a noun. See that Rohim plus here. Rohim plus apostrophe plus s. In this way you can make Rohims. So Rohims, suppose it is our building, this is our school, this is Rohim's school, this is Orim's school, we can tell. That's why whenever we will go to turn any noun into possessive form, then we can do it by the help of apostrophe. Yes, by the help of this apostrophe, we can make any noun into possessive noun. Okay, and then come to next one, compound noun. It is also heard every now and then, compound noun. What are the compound nouns? When two nouns go together. Okay, then it will be compound noun. See that I have written some examples here. Water is one kind of noun, and then motor is also another noun, and both of the terms have made one sense. Water bottle, dining table, commercial, coffee shop, boy friend, bed room, greenhouse, rainfall, motorcycle. Although both of the words, that is every part of the compound words has separate meaning, different meaning, but by mixing or adding both of the terms have a one sense. Okay, that's why they are called compound noun. Okay, and next come to number and gender. Both of the terms are related with noun. Okay, what is number? The sense or idea of number is called number. You know, number is divided into two parts. One is singular, another one is plural. Okay, what is singular? When only one thing or name will be meant, then it will be singular, and more than one, when it will mean more than one, then it will be plural. But it is related to noun. Okay, and then gender also. What is gender? The name of that means the word that means masculine or feminine or common or neuter. They are known as gender, which is related to noun. Okay, and what are they? They are masculine. That means the class of a masculinity. That is masculine. Something like if I give you some examples, suppose father, then brother, and lion, and tiger. In this way, the class of any animal, that means the male. That means the male, it will be masculine, and then feminine. What is feminine? That means female or femininity. That means femininity. Then it will be something like that. If I give you example, mother, and then sister, and then lioness or tigress. In this way, we can tell. And then common. Which one is common? See that baby, and then minister, teacher, student. Those are the words which means both of masculine and feminine together. Okay, why it is common? It is common because this baby means it may be male or female. Minister means it may be male or female. Teacher means it may be male or female. Students also male or female. That's why they are common. And last one, neuter. You know neuter. What is neuter? The word that means name of things actually that has no life. Then it will be neuter actually. And book, pen, pencil, furniture, table, pens, or so other things. The name of other things also, that means neuter. Those are the things which are related to gender, and gender is also related to noun. Okay. And then another point I would like to tell you, which is also heard every now and then, it will be used in later on, and whenever you will go to read anything, something like that, right form of verb or any agreement of verb with subject, then it will be used. See that noun of multitude. Noun, you know, and then multitude. Multitude means bohumukita. Actually, noun of multitude means the subject that is something like that, collective noun maybe, but when it will used and means separate, then it will be noun of multitude. This noun of multitude can be used within one sense or disclosing the meaning of singular. Okay, but it may be used, the same word may be used as plural, and it can be also used as singular. See that I have written down two examples here. Jury gave their opinion. See that the word is jury, but here its pronoun is used there. That means the plural sense and separate, not together. Okay, and see that jury gave its opinion. Their opinions and its opinion. Its means singular. Okay, this jury means singular, and this jury means plural. Okay, so when the word will mean plural sense separately, then it will be noun of multitude. And when you will use, then you have to remember that it will take plural form, and it will take singular forms, or pronoun will be singular and plural pronoun will be here plural. Okay, in this way we can know that all of the things which are related with noun. Okay, let's see another point. I have already told you a lot about noun. Now let's see what we have learned from noun. Okay, see that I have already taken 2 classes on noun, and see that what we have already learned. First of all, noun, and then noun is divided into 2 parts. I am summarizing, try to have a look. And it is divided into 2 parts, concrete noun and then abstract noun. Concrete is divided into 4 parts, proper noun and collective noun, common noun, collective noun and material noun. And then noun is also divided into another 2 parts. One is countable, another one is uncountable. And there are other nouns also which are related to, suppose, possessive noun. I have already told you how to make or how we can turn a proper noun into possessive noun. I have already showed you. And then compound noun and singular and plural noun that is related to number, and then gender also, which is related to noun. And last of all, I have already told you about noun of multitude. Those are the terms which are included in noun, and I think those things should be clear to you. So you can ask me a question why they are important, or this question may come in your mind that why will we learn them again. See that, and if any term of those things are not clear to you, or if anyone is left, then the more you will go ahead, the more you will be promoted into upper classes, the more they will be used. Okay, if any word, any term is unknown to you, then it will create gap, and for that gap it will be somewhat problem for you to go ahead with your English or to understand any topic, particularly with your study. Okay, that's why I would like to tell you those things should be clear to you, and try to your level best to know the things I am telling you, so that you can do better subsequently. Okay, this is all from now from my corner. Now more when will tell again. Thank you very much.